Hello everyone, welcome to Media Corner. I'm going through the 2 new review templates I just released. Here is the first one. It's a pretty simple, straightforward one. You can change out the background color as needed. Here's the second one. This one has a photo. So today I'm going to show you how to edit this template. These are really useful templates for showing reviews for hospitality, retail, services. They are easily customizable and very dynamic in terms of making them suit your brand's needs. So I'm just changing the title here to something different. And I'm going to change the copy now. These stars here you see at the bottom, there's 5 of them. There's 3-star, 3.5-star, 4-star, 4.5-star, and 5-star. You can toggle each of these off using the hide layers function. I'll show you how to do that right now. So as you can see, we have 3.5-star showing. I'm going to turn that off and turn on 5-star. And there you go, you have a 5-star review. So this photo works really well because I'm using a color overlay. It's a purple color overlay. I will show you how to do that. So I'm going to delete this layer here and start from scratch. I'm using a tool called ColorZilla. It's a free Chrome extension. You can select any color on your page and it'll copy the color. So that just copies right to your clipboard. But for good measure, I usually save it in text editor just so I have a copy of it. Great. So the first step now is to create a text layer. And we're going to change the color of the text to that color. We're just going to paste the hex code in here. And we're going to do a background color on the text here. Hit the plus button. Go to background color and open up the notepad. Copy that number down and write it into the dialog box here. Alright, so now we're going to just change the opacity to around 47%. Drag that to fit the composition. And we're going to put that underneath that purple shape layer on the left. It's a few layers down, so bear with me. You can also change the color of that purple box, the text area box. The layer is called shape layer. So same principle, you just hit the drop down and choose a custom hex code or use one of our built-in hex codes. One thing that's coming down the road here is going to be the ability to integrate spreadsheets into the editor, so this will be a great way to populate this area with a ton of reviews. It'll be awesome. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, my name is Aidan. Get at me at mediacorner@screenscape.com whenever you want to. Take care.